Welcome to Lily Simple English. We will learn English together through easy stories, slow speaking, and fun family adventures.
Why is that car behind me again?
Why is it here again? Who is inside that car? School is finished!
It is a beautiful day.
A white car.
It is probably nothing. I will be home soon. That car again? It looks the same. Maybe I am imagining it. Why do I keep seeing it?
It is moving now.
I do not like this.
Maybe it will go another way.
Maybe it is gone. No way. This cannot be a coincidence.
I just want to go home. It is still there.
Why does it keep coming back?
Stay calm and stay alert. I will be careful. I can stop here. I will wait here for a minute.
It is still here. This is getting strange.
Emma, wait!
Lily, are you okay? I have seen the same white car all afternoon. That does sound strange. Lily, I see it too. We can walk together. Let us test something. This is not your usual way home. We're going to see if the white car appears again. Maybe it finally left.
Lily, it followed us here. It is still there.
It is moving.
I do not like this. Let us keep going.
We are almost home.
There is my house.
Lily, it is still coming. It followed us again. It is stopping.
Who is inside?
Oh, there you are.
You were driving the car?
Is this yours?
It is my wallet! Thank you, Mrs. Harper.
Lily, what happened? I found her wallet near the school.
It really is my wallet.
You did the right thing by staying careful.
Thank you for helping Lily.
Thank you for learning with us today. Did you enjoy the story?
Tell us your favorite part in the comments. And do not forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time.